project?
Yes. This is on Rico Furley, Richard Feynman, Edward Teller, Otto Frisch. Zazzles.
Zazzles.
I was going to name him Herman von Helmholtz, but he's so zazzy.
Okay, we need to talk.
About what?
Cats, Sheldon.
Hi, April 095586461711.
A group of cats is a clouder or a glaring.
Yeah,
That's
fine.
the kind of thing you ought to know now that we have one. Terrific.
My point is, you need to face up to what your I got it. She's not your girlfriend. Now, listen to me. I know about loneliness. I know about trying to replace someone with other stuff. When I broke up with Penny, I got back into my cello. I built a bunch of model rockets. I got those weightlifting gloves and that 5-pound dumbbell.
You didn't break up. She dumped you.
She didn't dump me. It was mutual.
I was there. She dumped you.
Okay, fine. Live with cats. Be like my Aunt Nancy. She had dozens of them. You know what happened after she died? They ate her.
You don't have to sell me on cats, Leonard. I'm already a fan. All right, fellas. Who's in the mood for fancy feasts?
Wala pa.
Well, that's not fancy at all.
Apa kayo? Desi na din simulan eh?
Oo.
Asa nga siya cellphone?
Thanks for coming.
Para ha, pinagtrabaho ha.
Now, when you said on the phone you broke up with a girl, you meant an actual girl, not something you kids whipped up in play.
No, she's real.
Did they see her?
No, it's not like that. It's, I don't know what it's like. There is something I should prepare you for.
Oh, relax, Leonard. I have raised that boy. I've seen him at his best. I've seen him at his worst. There's nothing he can do that'll surprise me.
Hold on to that phone.
Surprise. Oh, what an unexpected pleasure.
That's a powerful smell.
I'd like you to meet Oppenheimer, Frisch, Panofsky, Feynman, Weisskopf.
Yeah, I get it. You got a lot of cats and you gave them cute Jewish names.
What are you doing here?
Leonard called. He said that you were pining for a young lady.
Oh, that's preposterous. I'm not pining over anyone.
Oh. We can quibble what to call it. I think we can both agree it's creepy.
I do not agree. Cats make wonderful companions. They don't argue or question my intellectual authority. And this little guy here, I think you'll find to be quite sassy.
You should have called soon. Shelly, dinner's ready. No cats.
What is she doing here?
I called her.
Your mother thinks you might be losing your mind over me. As a neurobiologist, I was curious.
Well, rest assured, I am in full possession of my faculties.
25 cats!
Oh, God bless you, dear. Sheldon, sit down. Let's talk.
All right, but you're not fooling me. Whenever you say we have to talk, it means you want me to listen.
Then stop talking. Now, the reason I called Amy over was to find out what time she is. Chat a bit. I have to say that while she is a perfectly unique young woman, you two are definitely not suited for each other.
That's a peculiar conclusion. By any standard, Amy is more similar to me than anyone I've ever met.
I'm sorry, Shelley, I can't see it.
Well, whether you see it or not is irrelevant. But I can't see subatomic particles, but nevertheless, they're there. Excellent point. A physics point. Touché.
Well, put aside the pig Latin. It's a good thing that you two decided to end the relationship so I didn't have to end it for you.
Amy, after consideration, I believe we may have acted rashly. I propose we resume our relationship and attempt to resolve our differences.
I'll agree to that, only if you'll stipulate that 80% of our difficulties were caused by you.
I'll go as high as 40.
65.
Done. You understand that moving forward, we deal with the fact that my mother does not approve of you?
I do. Find being cast in the role of bad girl oddly titillating.
Would you like to see my cats?
I would. I love cats. They're the epitome of indifference.
Then you may find Zazzles a little cloying. I saw what you did there.
He thinks he's such a smarty pants. He's no different from any man. You tell him not to do something, that's all they want to do. If I had told my brother Stumpy not to clear out the wood chipper by hand, we'd still be calling him Edward. Now don't you move. I'll bring over all the food.
No, I can do it.
Well, isn't that sweet?